Understanding God's character. A lot of the times, God is made out to be this harsh judgment ruler. If we slip, we slide and go to hell. But ever since I started reading my Bible and spending time in God's presence, I am being shown the Spirit's character. God is love, kindness, gentleness, understanding, reasonable. I never did know that part here. Patient, loyal, honest, funny, gracious, and of course, just. Literally, if we see God with all our heart and humble ourselves before the Spirit, everything that we desire will be given. The desires, however, will be refined after we go through the renewal, once we experience and encounter God and is fully committed to the will and purpose ordained for our lives. The type of grace I'm experiencing right now, I can't really put into the words, but the kindness and forgiveness that I have been blessed with is beyond me. It makes you almost desperate for more. I'm not gonna lie. And I don't mean desperate for material things. God keeps the promises once we are obedient and genuinely want to do the work of God. And just like being in a relationship with anyone or anything, you have to be patient and get to know the character of that thing to fully accept, trust, and love that thing. We see the anger, jealousy, and harshness of God now when we have been careless, reckless, bad broke over and over and over again. We all get pushed to the limit by someone or something sometimes, but the difference is that God is more patient and we are given time to correct ourselves sometimes. That's the character of God that I'm still learning about. You develop a respect, a reverence, a type of fear, but the fear does not cripple you. It's a fear of, not wanting to be without God. You're always wanting to please the Spirit because you know what good comes from that. So one of my suggestions is, if you're trying to get to know God, definitely read the Bible, focus on God's character and heart, and always know that you don't need a third party to talk to God or hear what the Spirit is saying to you.